everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can incorporate a weaving technique into your macrame projects. This weaving technique we will be learning today is called the Soumak weave. To begin, I went ahead and attached 6 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot, and I've also tied 1 row of horizontal double half hitch knots so that we have a place to tie our weaving technique into. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to bring in another rope and we're going to place it in front of 4 ropes. Then I'm going to take the rope and I'm going to wrap it around the 2 ropes in that section of 4 on the right end. So it's coming behind those 2 ropes there. Just like that. Now I'm going to repeat these same steps by bringing it in front of 4 ropes and then wrapping it around the second set of 2. And I repeat again. So it's always coming in front of 4 ropes and behind 2 ropes. In front of 4 ropes and then behind 2 ropes. Now to come back around to go the opposite direction, I'm going to send it around the 2 here on the end once again. Then it goes over the next 2 ropes and I'm going to then send it around those 2 as well. Now I repeat the pattern as I was learning before. So we go in front of 4 ropes and around the second set of 2. I go in front of 4 ropes and around the second set of 2. Over 4 ropes, around the second set of 2. Over 4 ropes and around the second set of 2. Now I'm going to go back the other direction once again. I take my rope and I send it around the 2 on the end. Then I'm going to send it over the next 2 and wrap it around those 2. Over 4 ropes and around 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 2. And then I'm just going to kind of twist it around those 2 once more. And that is the Soumak weave. So now let's see how we can tuck these ends in the back to hide them. This is what your project will look like turned the other direction. You'll notice that there are these nice loops right around all of your filler cords basically. So what I would do is I'm going to take these ends and I just tuck them into the loops. So as this one here is up above, I'm going to tuck it downwards. And since this one started on the bottom, I'm going to tuck it upwards. And since it's actually forming that third loop here, I'm going to skip the first little row of loops and I'm going to go up the next 3. Just like that. And then all I would do is I will trim off the ends and they will stay hidden. Now typically you would have more rows in your work probably than just the 3 I did as this example, but so I would recommend always going through at least 3 loops just for extra security. And another little trick is if you have trouble pulling your ropes through your loops because maybe it's a little tight or it's the rope you're using, you guys can use crochet hooks to help you. You can use knitting needles or just the needles with the wide lips as well. So you guys can use fun tools to help you pull and tuck your ends up to hide them, or you can use your fingers like I did. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.